Welcome back to the Dorflinger Factory Museum. This is video 4 during our brilliant weekend show and symposium. And I'm Franz Hellwig. If there's anything you see in the videos that you would like to purchase, have any questions, or would like enlargeable photos, email me or text me. Also buy collections or rare items. I'll buy large collections. It can be hundreds of pieces at a time. And with that, we will begin video 4. Over here in the corner, we have 2 wine stems. They are probably Clark. I can't place the cutting. Dorflinger blanks, hollow, fluted and notched stems. They are $45 each. Here's a really cute compote. It's engraved in matte finish. What's really cute is this has an insect motif, like a little bee or fly. You can see it again there. Nice leaf or fronds, Fronds. Hollow, fluted stem, star-cut base. Really cute piece, 8.5 inches tall, and it's only $2.95. Another local piece is this jewel pattern square cologne by Clark. The pattern and blank are shown on page 7 of the 1896 catalog. Probably Dorflinger blanks. Dorflinger is known for these square shapes. And the cologne is only $2.65. There's a neat cranberry cut to clear pitcher. It has the reeded handle. That was done by Pearpoint. Sterling top with beautiful, very finely done flowers. It is $18.95. It's a cylinder cologne, strawberry diamond and fan, classic old pattern. I just found a chip on it when I was unpacking on the edge right here. So as such, it's $145, but I'll do $45 on it if anyone's interested. One of Dorflinger's best patterns is Essex, and here's a pair of globe colognes, Hobstar base, really nice cutting, sort of a shield frame on the Hobstars. Great to have the original pair. The pattern is shown on page 21 of line drawings, and it is $7.95. It's a very cute small Sonora pattern ice cream dish by Libby. A very distinctive pattern. It's signed with the Sabre signature. Let's see if I can catch that because it's so hard. Yes, there we go. So those of you that have never seen any signatures, here's a great clear one. 5-inch diameter, and it is $75. A nice example of that. The nice apple core stem wine. I think it's Argo by Empire. And star-cut base, hollow apple core. $65. Beautiful color on this strawberry diamond wine. It's a Vaseline green. It's very radiant. I'm sure it lights up like neon under a black light. And this is by Dorflinger. So it was made here in the building, and it is $235. Really nice block diamond pattern. Dorflinger, Mount Washington are 2 companies I know that did this. Fluted, faceted knobs, top and bottom on the stem, colored foot, which also adds to it. I had 6 of these. This is the last one. It's $8.95. Here's 2 rare water goblets by Fritchie. Wonderful hammered effect teardrop engraving, engraved foot. These are large. I have 4 of them altogether, and they are $2.75 each. Really cool cream and sugar set. Has a wafer base, Hob Diamond by Dorflinger. Heavy blanks, even a Hob Diamond cut handle. And the set is $2.25. There's a teal blue, turquoise blue finger bowl and underplate. They're in an oval and split type pattern. I don't know the maker. Even though Dorflinger did this, I don't think it's Dorflinger. The color just doesn't add up to me, but beautiful set, nice rare color, and it's only $1.25 each. True rarity in cut glass. I've never seen brandy snifters in 30 years, and have finally found one. People are always asking for them, and of all things, they're in Queens by Hawks. These are really nice, a true rarity, and they are $14.95 each. I have a pair of ruby cut to clear wine stems. They're in Colonial by Dorflinger. Again, I had quite a run on Colonial yesterday. These have great color. They're very nice cutting. The pattern's shown in the line drawings catalog. And this one, I think, has had the rim repaired, so it's $2.95. And then this one has an original rim. It is $6.95. Very cute selection of toothpick holders, a matte finish flower engraved, footed. It is $110. And then here's a cute pinwheel design, really nice shape on it, a ball connector above the foot. It is $85. And then here's a really neat egg-shaped one. I know this is either Clark or Pearpoint, and I can't remember which company did this. Again, footed, star-cut base, it's $125. Here's a flashed star egg-shaped toothpick, star base. It's either Clark or Pearpoint, and it is $125. Here's a pair of green mitered, sort of an olive Vaseline green wine stems, clear foot. Unsure as to who's the maker. It's $75 for the pair. Probably Dorflinger upright celery, cut in strawberry diamond. This would be very early. Nice quality, and it is only $125. Here's a very neat champagne stem. It's in the Delft pattern by J. Hoare, and it's shown on page 8 of the black catalog. Nice clear blank, nice cutting, and it is only $45.
No, I don't have that.
And then here's the Hawks oil and vinegar dressing bottle, shown in some of the books. So it has the oil and vinegar levels shown in it for mixing, the clear engraved hollow stopper, and it's only $75. There's a very nice large humidor, also cut in Colonial by Dorflinger. Pattern cutting on the top, the plug. This is, I think, the 100 cigar humidor, as they called it, and it is $12.50. There's the rare buckle pattern water goblet, which the other one was Hawks, and so I misused the wrong label, but this is the Dorflinger one because it has the Brooklyn star. The buckle pattern is shown in the T.G. Hawks industry book by Jane Spillman, and it is $6.75. That's the last one of those. Here's a rare miniature beer mug. It's in Russian with the clear buttons, and it's the last one. It's $3.25, but I'll do a show special of $200. Here's a cute corset-shaped vase, which I initially thought was Hawks, in their Gravik flowers, because it's got all of the engraving that you usually see on Gravik glass, but it has a signet signature, and it is $95. I have a pair of these cactus pattern by Pearpoint violet vases. Those are always very popular. Clear, rounded stems, star-cut base, and they are $2.25 each. There's a wonderful green cut to clear cordial set. It's cut in Grecian and hobnail. It's a pattern that was, I think, patented by Hawks, actually, which consists of tusks and the hob diamonds. Beautiful little set. Flashed hob star feet. Wonderful tusks. Nice cutting, a very attractive color. And it is $24.95 on the set. Tall Hawk wine, solid cranberry bowl, clear stem and foot, has gold gilding, very attractive piece. Could it be an import? And my guess was that it was sold by Higgins and Cider, but it's a guess, and it is $95. And then from my personal collection, these were on my dining room table. 1-1 rated Russian and pillar candlesticks, great swirling tusks, great hobstar feet. Always was always one of my favorite candlesticks in cut glass. The only reason I moved them off the dining room table is I now have two big candelabras. And these are $22.95. They're shown in the rarities book also. And our final piece for this video is a Dorflinger Marlboro cherry jar. It's shown exactly in the line drawings catalog. Full pattern cut lid. It's a plug type that just slides in, and it is $6.75. And I do have a couple more little pieces here. Brilliant pattern bowl by Dorflinger, shown in the line drawings catalog. It's $3.95. It's a nice little decanter. It has a wafer base, sort of a wide bottom, double punty cut handle, and it's only $1.85. That's from the museum. Another local piece is this Star and Diamond by Clark, low bowl. It is, let's see, 1, 2, 3. It's 8-sided, very deep cutting, great central hobstar, excellent quality blank, 7 1/4 square, and it is $1.65. Really cute butterfly design plate. I think it's 6.5 inches. So I've had 6 of these, and it's been a mystery as to who the pattern was. Love how the wings span the entire piece, and then you have floating stars. And I'm not going to think, I found a 7th one from another collection, and I'm going to have to think about it, but I've actually finally identified it. So if anybody's interested, email me, and I'll let you know who did it. I can't think of the company. It's out of New York. Here's a Clark Florentine oval tray, 8 inches long, and it is $65. Another local, it's O'Connor's Caprice pattern tab handle ice bucket, hopstar base, 7 1/4 inches diameter, excellent quality, $2.95. Chester pattern ladle by Dorflinger, Towel and Sons silver plate scoop, and it is $6.95. A number 28 designed by Dorflinger pitcher, bulbous pitcher. It is $85. Oh yeah, mark that one down from $125. Nice piece. And then this is a great rarity, a 2-part flower center. I've never owned one of these. So it has a liner for a top that pulls out, scallop top. I want to say it's J. Hoare based on the cutting, but I have not been able to pin it down. 8-inch diameter, and it's $11.95. Russian pattern Pettifor has a pattern cut foot, $145. Dorflinger block diamond mustard or horseradish jar with a slotted lid, and it is $125. This video ran a little long, sorry about that, but you can start and stop it at any time, and then there's also the stopping. It will allow you to check the timestamp where the video was if you're interested in a certain piece. And again, thank you for watching this, and we'll have one final video after this from the Dorflinger Factory Museum. Thank you.